Hello everyone and welcome to the Institute's monthly update. Today, I'll be recapping all the incredible events that we had in February and sharing what's coming up in March. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive in. The highlight of February was undoubtedly the Institute Summit. This was held on February 6th through the 8th on Amelia Island. This year's event brought together top shop owners, managers, and industry leaders for 3 days of high-impact learning, networking, and collaboration. We had 3 outstanding keynote speakers, each delivering a game-changing message. Dan Clark opened the event with The Art of Significance. It was about inspiring attendees to look beyond success and focus on leading with purpose. His incredible storytelling challenged everyone to think bigger about their leadership and their legacy. Dr. Jessica Kriegel followed up with the change management equation. This broke down a proven framework for navigating industry changes with confidence and shaping a strong business culture. And finally, Ross Bernstein closed the event with the Champions Code. This was about sharing lessons from elite athletes about what separates good from great and how to create a winning culture in business. His message left shop owners motivated to raise their game and push for excellence. In addition to these inspiring keynotes, we heard from lightning speakers, including Arun Kumar, Tanika Haynes, Carm Capriato, Brandon Ballou, and Tim Chakarian. Each speaker did a fantastic job sharing their stories, what drives them, what got them into the automotive industry, and why they continue to strive for excellence in their craft. These powerful moments were a reminder of why this industry is so special. The summit also featured some breakout sessions and hands-on learning covering topics like service advisor training, leadership, team culture, operational excellence, financial strategy. Attendees walked away with real-world strategies that they could apply immediately in their business. The Gear Games brought out a competitive spirit and a fun, competitive, team-building challenge, and our sponsor speed dating session allowed shop owners to connect directly with industry-leading partners. Excursions like the Capture Quest, Scavenger Hunt, and the Bourbon Tasting Experience created opportunities for some meaningful connections in a relaxed setting. To close out the event, we hosted our annual awards dinner where we celebrated top performing shops and recognized leaders who are shaping the future of this industry. We cannot wait for Summit 2027, and if you are interested because you missed out or you love the Summit so much, click the link below and get on a list so that you can be notified when we open early registration. Let's take a look at what's coming up in March. On March 5th, we'll wrap the NWACA Leadership Series with the final session, Chaos to Control, presented by myself. This session will focus on implementing standard operating procedures, SOPs, managing change, and creating accountability. These are key tools for running an efficient, well-structured shop. From March 6th through the 9th, we'll be at the Vision High Tech Training and Expo in Overland Park, Kansas, one of the industry's leading training events. The Institute will be leading several high-impact sessions throughout the week, including Thursday, March 6th, Cecil Bullard presents Selling Automotive Service and Repair in a Down Economy, where he'll teach strategies for increasing sales even in uncertain economic times. Thursday, March 6th, Mark Sewell will be presenting the Ultimate MAP class. This is Mastering the Advisor Presentation, helping service advisors improve their communications, sales techniques, and customer trust. Friday, March 7th, Cecil Bullard presents the Automotive Business Financial Intelligence, covering the key numbers that every shop owner must understand to run a profitable business, plus ways to improve your profitability. On Saturday, March 8th, Jimmy Lee is going to be presenting Ringing in Success. This is about elevating your phone proficiency, teaching some advanced phone skills to increase appointment conversion rates. And last, on Sunday, March 9th, Cecil Bullard and Aaron Woods present everything you need to know about numbers and profit. This is a deep dive into the financial strategies that separate struggling shops from thriving businesses. If you're attending Vision, these sessions will be packed with some valuable real-world strategies to help your shop grow and succeed. The Shop Owner Strategic Masterminds are going to be continuing their meetings in San Diego on March 13th in Portland and on March 20th. These meetings provide shop owners with opportunities to troubleshoot challenges, share their best practices, and refine their business strategies in their local market. From March 17th to 19th, we're going to be hosting a leadership intensive at the Institute HQ in Ogden, Utah. This immersive in-person training is designed to help shop owners, managers, leaders develop those critical leadership skills that help you improve your communication, that help you develop and build high-performing teams. Then from March 21st to 23rd, we're going to be at the Automotive Training Expo, ATE, in Seattle, Washington, leading several high-impact training sessions for the NWACA. Friday, March 21st, Cecil Bullard is going to be presenting everything you need to know about numbers and profit. Again, that's breaking down how top performing shops achieve that 20% net profit or higher. Friday, March 21st, I myself will be presenting Chaos to Control. This is about the SOPs that build a strong foundation for your business. Whether you are in a good economy or a bad one, it's the SOPs that are going to overcome competency gaps, help you build sustainable, consistent performance, and really build a company that is run on automation, that will grow, that will help everyone succeed. Saturday, March 22nd, Michael Smith is going to be delivering the keynote speech during breakfast, covering the massive industry shifts due to retiring baby boomers and how shop owners can prepare for the future. Saturday, March 22nd, Cecil Bullard presents Increasing Productivity and Labor Profit. This is covering proven methods to help boost your technicians' productivity and your shop profitability. Saturday, March 22nd, Mark Sewell is going to be presenting the Mastering Service Advisor presentations. Again, this is combining sales training and conflict resolution techniques for sales success. And on Saturday, March 22nd, I myself will be presenting Managing Yourself. This is actually a deep dive into your personal time management strategies for peak productivity and work-life balance as a business owner. What are the key things you should be focused on so that you make the best use of your time? Sunday, March 23rd, Mark Sewell is going to be presenting Mastering Productivity. This is front-to-back communication hacks, tackling the communication barriers between service advisors and technicians that impact your efficiency and your customer satisfaction. If you're attending ATE, these sessions are a must-attend for shop owners looking to improve efficiency, increase profits, and build stronger teams. On March 25th through the 26th, we'll be hosting a Gear Performance Group meeting where shop owners will focus on advanced operational strategies, financial planning. This is going to be hosted in Dallas, Texas. We'll also wrap up the month with two key events. On March 26th, we have the final installment of the Leading Edge web series with Juliana C., focusing on the golden rules for listening and giving listeners a practical skill set to apply in real time. This helps them avoid common communication pitfalls and work together more effectively between business partners and couples who work together. March 27th, we're going to be launching the Mergers and Acquisitions training. This is really about building a legacy. It's perfect for shop owners who are considering expansion, acquisition, or even planning your exits. As always, we encourage you to stay connected with the Institute throughout the month. If you have any questions about our upcoming events or training programs, please reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for staying connected with the Institute, and we'll see you next month.